Hello to all traders. In this video, we're going to explore a simple and effective strategy for market analysis. This strategy will help you identify market trends more accurately and make better trading decisions. It's called the Momentum Bias Index, designed by Algo Alpha. This tool may seem a little complex at first, but rest assured, using it is much easier than you think. So stay with me. To get started, open your chart and assume you are analyzing the gold chart. Then you need to choose a time frame. You can use time frames like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or even 1 hour. Personally, I prefer the 15-minute time frame, but feel free to experiment with different time frames to see what works best for you. Now, go to the indicators section at the top of the platform, click on it, a window will pop up. Type Momentum Bias Index into the search bar. And press Enter. Then select it from the search results and add it to your chart. The Momentum Bias Index is a powerful tool designed to identify the positive and negative biases in the market. It helps you recognize the overall market trend and gives you accurate buy and sell signals. Now that you have added the Momentum Bias Index to your chart, let's optimize its settings to get the most out of it. Click on the gear icon next to the indicator's name and go to the Inputs tab. In this section, make the following adjustments. Change source to close. Set momentum length to 9. Change bias length to 5 and smooth length to 9. Set impulse boundary to 27. And standard deviation multiplier to 3. Enable the smooth option and turn off overlay mode. Ensure that time frame is set to chart. To enhance the signals, let's add another tool called the HLOTT indicator. Go back to the indicators section, search for the HLOTT and add it to your chart. This indicator has two lines, HOT highest price and LOT lowest price. The area between these two lines is called the flat zone. When the price is in this zone, it's better to avoid trading. But once the price moves out of this zone, you'll get stronger signals. If the price closes above the HOT line, it's a signal for an uptrend. If the price closes below the LOT line, it's a signal for a downtrend. Now that we have set up the indicators, let's learn how to make profits with this strategy. When the Momentum Bias Index gives a buy or sell signal, we need to check whether the overall trend matches that signal. Seller there. When you see a red bar staying above the dots on the Momentum Bias Index oscillator, it's a sell signal. To confirm, check that the closing price of the signal candle is below the lower HLOT line. Place your stop loss at the upper HLOT line and set your target 1.5 times your stop loss, or the risk to reward ratio must be 1 to 1.5. Buyer there. For a buy signal, look for a green bar above the oscillator points, and the price should close above the HOT line. In this case, set your stop loss and target accordingly. Now, let's look at the amazing results from backtesting this strategy. Using the 5-minute time frame for gold, we conducted 100 trades and achieved outstanding results. Our win rate was 67%, meaning 67 out of 100 trades were profitable. During this period, we also set a record of 7 consecutive winning trades and only 3 losing trades. The maximum drawdown during this time was just 3.42%, showing that strategy has low risk while delivering excellent returns. The backtest results clearly demonstrate that this strategy performs exceptionally well and can help you succeed in the world of trading. Of course, I always recommend testing this strategy on a demo account first, and once you're confident in its performance, move on to real trades. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts with us in the comments.